Okay. So from this point, I started to record the video. Okay. For instance, I had here the number of the boys and the total, and I wanted to calculate the girl's number. So as we did before, the total is boys number plus girl's number. So if this one is missing, I can do it. I will subtract total by boys number. How I can do that? Remember, every single equation you are going to do, you have to write equal to make Excel understand that you are going to do a mathematical equation or mathematical formula. Equal, then press bracket, the total minus the boys. Then I will press bracket again and I will do enter. What's up? Okay, there is somehow. Once again, equal, open bracket, this one minus this one. Close the bracket, enter. What is wrong? What's wrong with him? I think there is something missing. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, copy. Equal this number minus. Oh, I know what is the mistake here. Let's do it by another number here. Look. This number are given. Don't worry about this number. It is somehow a given number. It is randomly number in order to make you understand. So I will do like that, girls. And I have here the total equal this one plus okay, that is another table. Okay, so let's do it like that. Cut. Paste. Okay. 571 570 1160 350. Okay. Okay. Focus on this table only. I had here the total number of the boys and the girls, and I wanted to calculate the missing number of girls. So I will press equal, open the bracket, this one minus the boys of the number. Yeah, then I will drag. So by this criteria, I had the boys number and the total number, and I wanted to calculate the girls number. So I subtracted the total number minus the boys number. So that is the issue. Is it clear, guys?
Yeah, it's fine.
It's fine. Okay.
Yes, Doctor.
Right. Okay, let's make it a little bit complicated here. I had here the wheat data from 1998 till 2017. I had here the total area per faddan, the total production in tons, the yield per faddan, the yield in ardab. The ardab is something like a bushel or ton. It is somehow a unit for measuring or weighting the wheat weight. The ardab price, the primary revenue, and the secondary revenue. Usually, the primary revenue is somehow when you're selling your wheat, and somehow the secondary revenue is somehow using the residuals of the wheat as somehow a feed for the animals. So that is the secondary revenue. Here is the total revenue, is summation between primary and secondary, and here is the rent, and here is the variable cost and total cost, and finally the net revenue. Yeah, there is some here, there is some rules here. If you want to calculate the yield is equal what? Yield is equal production over area. Is it clear? So yield is equal production over area. So how I can calculate it here? I will remove the question mark and look at the law. It means here yield equal production over area. Okay. So what is the first step? I'm gonna to do something like a calculation or formula, mathematical equation. So I will press equal first, then I will open the bracket and I will choose the production firstly divided by area. Then I will close the bracket. Please, everyone, mute his mic, please. Okay, so I calculated the first here. I will not repeat it again. I will drag this mark or I will pull it down. So he gave me the yield in Faddan. Okay, okay. Let's what here missing only. There is somehow net revenue is missing. How I can calculate the net revenue? The net revenue is equals what? Okay, I will mute all. Okay, the revenue, net revenue equals what? Net revenue equals total cost minus, sorry, equal revenue, total revenue minus total cost. So it is a law. Here is a law. We have to memorize these laws. Net revenue is equal to total revenue minus total cost. What is total revenue here? This one. And here is the total cost. So first I will remove this question mark. The first step to make any equation or formula, I will press equal, open the bracket, total revenue minus, I have one. Equals total revenue minus total cost. Then I will close the bracket. I will press enter. Then I will drag it down again. So I calculated the net revenue for every single year here. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear, sir. Yeah.
Okay, Mish.
Doctor.
Yeah.
In this net revenue, we have to put first formula, then we have to drag it down, or what?
For what? For which? For the calculation itself, or this area?
Yeah. No, for 803.
For the calculation area?
No, I just want to know that if we have to put the formula, or we can just subtract the numbers and drag it down.
You have only to calculate it. I'm writing down here the formula in order to make you remember this laws only. But
okay.
Yeah, but this you have to calculate this one only. Don't worry about this one.
Okay, doctor.
Okay, let's continue.
Okay.
Okay. If I wanted to calculate the average area from 1998 till 2017, how I can do that? There is many ways to do that. First of all, I will press equal, open the bracket, sorry, I will press equal, then I will write average, I will choose it, average, then I have to mark up the years, then I will close the bracket here. Look, he gave me the average area. There is another way to do that, and somehow it's much easier. Wait a minute. Okay. Yeah. Okay. There is some another way that's somehow much easier than that. I will choose this one, it's fx. Then I will choose from here the average. Okay. He said to me, choose your data. So I will choose the area from here to here. Then I'll press equal. Look, he calculated it immediately. So for fx criteria, I don't have to press equal. I am just pressing, I will choose first the cell, then I will press f of x, and I will choose what I want, the average, the summation, and the stuff like that. Let's go further. Here, if I wanna to calculate the maximum value in the area, I want to determine which year we had larger area. So I will do something like that. F of x, I will choose max. He tell me, please choose your data. So I will mark up till this one. Then I will press equal. Okay. Look, this one, the maximum area. Look, 34886 for 2015. Okay. So let's do it for the total. If I wanna to calculate the total, I have two criteria. First of all, maybe I will choose sum equal sum, open the bracket, and I will choose the area, then I will close the bracket. Look, I calculated. Okay, I want to choose another way. Let's do the fx way. I will choose fx first, then where is summation sum, choose the area, choose your data. Okay, then I will press OK. Look, the same number. So the two ways are correct. Maybe I'm going to use the fx way or the equal or the manual formula way. Okay, let's see if you have any question. Is there any question here?
No, doctor.
Fine.
Yes.
Okay. Aya, فاهمة يا آية؟
يا دكتور فاهم.
ماشي. اوكي.
دكتور ممكن تعيد البوينت بتاعت ماكس؟
الماكس؟ اوكي. ماشي. اوكي بصي بقى. Look here. I will repeat the max criteria again. Okay. I wanted to determine which one of this area is bigger. I wanted to calculate the maximum area. How I can do that. And I have, imagine if I had somehow 100 year, I will not focus or not read every single cell. So I will use this way in order to determine which cell or which year have the maximum area. So I will choose, for instance, the fx criteria first. I will here choose the cell first, then f of x and max. And I will choose or hide up the areas that I want to do. Yeah, from here to here. Then I will select OK. Look, he gave me the maximum area. Okay, let's do it again, but the vice versa. I will choose, I want to know which one had the minimum area. Okay, so I will select the cell, f of x, where is minimum here? Look, where is minimum? Okay, maybe I can use minimum. Okay, minimum. Then I will select the data. Then okay, he gave me the minimum area. Once again, equal. Maybe I will press minimum, open the bracket, and I will choose the area like that. Then I will close the bracket, press enter. This is the minimum area. So where is it? 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Where is 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4? Yeah. In 2001, we had the minimum area for cultivating wheat. So let's try another one. But instead of looking up for which one is minimum, for instance, I calculated already the maximum or the minimum. Okay, I had the value, but I had many years. I will not focus. Oh, where is the year? Where is the? So I want to use something like a much easier way to find out which one had this value. I will copy it. I will copy the minimum. Okay. Right click, copy. Look here. You will find and select. Then I will use find. Find what he tell me. Find what. Find. I will paste the value. I wanna determine which year has the minimum value. Then I will press find all. Oh, look, he shaded up the 2001 location. Look, he saw at 2001, I had the minimum value. Again, is it clear or what? Guys, what's up? Shall I repeat? Okay, I will do it once again. I wanna, for instance, let's try it with the maximum. I had here, I'm already calculated the maximum area. So I wanna use the find and select option in order to find out which year from here that has this minimum or maximum value. Let's see, focus on maximum. Okay. First of all, you have to copy the value, then go to find and select, then choose find and paste your value. Okay, maybe you have another option. Maybe you are not going to, you don't have to somehow copy on and paste your value. Maybe you can write it manually. 3, 4, 6, 8, 8, 64. The same? Yeah, they are the same. Then I will press find. Look, he heading up the 2015 year. So at 2015, we had the maximum area. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? It's so important to do that. Okay, I will continue. Let's move on. I had here a new feature that you hadn't taken in the last or the previous section. So we will use it again. Look, I had here the area from 1998 till 2017, right? Imagine how I can predict the area for 2018. I had no value for the area for 2018. How I should calculate the 2018 value? So I will use something called forecast function. How to forecast, how to anticipate or predict the value for this year. Okay, I will press f of x. Then I will choose the option of forecasting, forecast. Then I will press OK. Okay, it tells me choose X. The X, it is the missing year, the year in which I wanted to calculate or I wanted to predict. So I will press the cell 2018. Okay, then he tell me please choose the known Y's. What is the known Y's? The area from 1998 till 2017. Okay, then he tell me please choose the known X's. The known X's usually represents the year. So I will choose the years from 1998 till 2017. Then I will press equal. Oh, he calculated the anticipated area for 2018. Put in your mind that this area wasn't given from the beginning. It was missing. Again, imagine that I wanna to calculate the value for 2019. 2019. I had no here an area for 2019. So how I can do that? I will select the cell, press f of x. Then I wanted to forecast, so I will choose forecast. He tells me, please choose x value. I will choose x represented here, the missing year or the year in which you wanted to calculate or you wanted to predict. So I will choose 2019. Okay. He tells me, please choose y value. So I will choose the y value. Y value are the given areas from the beginning till now. I will mute all. Okay, mute all. Okay. Then he tells me, please choose the x values, the known x. The known x represents the year from 1998 till 2018. Then I will press equal. Okay, so look, he calculated already the missing year. Is it clear? Is it clear? Guys. Okay.
No, doctor. I'm just confused. Can you do it again? The forecast.
Which one you are going to confuse? Which area you confused in?
Forecast. I don't know about forecast.
Okay. I will press again.
Okay. Thank you.
Imagine I wanna to calculate the 2020 year. Okay.
Yes.
So I will choose
Yes.
f of x. Forecast. It means forecast you wanted to predict. It tells me which one is unknown or which one is x. The unknown is 2020, so I will choose 2020. It tells me choose y, then I will choose y value. Y value represents the known area. Okay, what is the known x's? The known x's represents the years, so I will choose the given or the known years till 2019.
Okay, doctor.
Oh, look. Okay, imagine if I wanted to 2021. 2021. I will not do the same. I will like that and I will do like that. Look, I calculated automatically. Again, imagine if I had the years for till 2028. I will choose the last two, then automatically he calculated, he used the previous formula or the previously used formula in order to calculate the missing or the upcoming years. I think it's easy, right?
Yes, and I got it.
Okay. Let's continue. If I wanted to calculate sum, I will press equal the summation for the production. Sum bracket. We choose the values. Close the bracket. Equal. Okay, look. Calculated it. Maybe I will use another one. Maybe I will use another one. Equal or not. Okay, I will use the fx sum. Where is sum for this one? Okay, all the formula or all the functions that I had used, I can use it in columns or rows. imagine if I as I did before here in schools, I can do the submission in vertical manner or horizontal one. For instance, if I wanted to do something like I had here years x and y variable, okay, I will customize the table. Yeah, that's it. I wanna calculate the total. Look, I can do it x equal sum, open the bracket, then I will choose the summation of them. I can do it like that. I can use a formula in horizontal or vertical manners. Both are right. Okay. Let's go a little bit further. We had here, if I wanted to draw a graph, for instance, I wanted to draw a line graph for which is the net revenues, for instance. I wanted to do it for the net revenues. How I can do that? Okay. I will choose the net revenue. Then I go on the heading of the Excel, then insert. Look, here is many types of graph. I will go to the line and I will choose which one I wanted to apply. For instance, I wanted to apply this one since it represents the point. Look, I already draw the graph. How to customize or to adjust the graph? Yeah, maybe I can resize the graph like that. I can put the title, for instance, net revenue, net, let's do it capital, net revenue, revenue. Okay. So if I wanna to change the shape of the graph, I will press on the graph. Look here on the upper side, you will have many shapes for that. Okay, you can customize which one you want. So I will choose the normal one. What is it? What is the normal one? Okay. So I will choose this one. For instance, if I wanna to put here the years itself, not 1, 2, 3. I wanted to add the years itself. So I will press like here and look on the upper side, you will find select data. So I will choose select data or horizontal. The years are on horizontal line. So I will choose horizontal. Edit. He tells me select the access label range. So I will choose the years from here till 2020, for instance. Then I will press OK. Look, he gave me what's going on. There's somehow lag. There's something stuck here. I don't know what is the point.
Hello, doctor.
Yeah, I'm hearing you, but there is somehow a lag or a bug on the Excel, so I can't use it. The Excel for me, the Excel for me had freezed out, so I can't use it. So I don't know what's happened. Okay, maybe I will.
Doctor, I want to ask you one question.
Yeah, go ahead.
So we in exam, how it comes in exam? So we have to solve it like in
I will give
computer
you an
exam or
assignment.
what?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we and Dr. Yahya had agreed. Yeah, that we're going to submit 2 assignments. I had sent you in the group two pages. Each page worth an assignment. Each assignment worth 10 marks. And the final mark will be the average between two uh, assignments. So I will give you somehow a missing table to calculate every missing thing. So for instance, I want to calculate the maximum value, the minimum value, the net revenue, how to please write down or a line graph or bar graph or pie chart graph for every single column, for instance. That is the point. Yeah, I will tell you.
We'll do it in college or what? We will do it in home.
I think that the assignment you will do it at home and you will submit it, but you will have to submit the soft copy and the hard copy in order to make sure that you already calculate the Excel criteria very well. And I will give you somehow different data. Every one of you had different data to make sure that you already did it at home correctly. Regarding the exam, the midterm exam or stuff like that, maybe it will, or the practical exam, maybe we will use the Excel, or you can maybe Dr. Yahya will give you a theoretical exam. I don't know yet. But regarding the assignment, you have to submit to assignment, and the final mark will be marked out of 10. And don't worry if you follow up my criteria and my tutorials, and if you faced any inquiry or a problem regarding solving the in Excel, please tell me, doctor, I had a problem to calculate this one. Send me a video or how we can solve this missing point. So
okay,
please,
doctor.
you have we have only only another 2 additional sections, and then you will have to submit your assignment. So make sure that you practice frequently every single time. Okay.
Okay, doctor.
So
okay.
I think that the Excel stopped originally, so I will open another one. Okay, wait for me, please. My call. Okay, under courses. Share screen. This one. Okay. Okay. Is it clear now?
No, doctor, is it not clear, doctor? Can you explain about this diagram?
Okay, I'm talking about the Excel. Is it obvious for you right now? Regarding the Excel, Aya, انت شايفه الاكسل sheet? Guys, are you seeing now my Excel sheet?
ايوه دكتور شايفاه.
Okay, تمام. I will repeat the graph again. Look, I wanted to graph out the graph, for instance, for total cost. So I will choose the values of total cost. Then I will go upside here to the insert window. Then I will choose the graph that I'm going to do it. So I want to, for instance, here, I want to draw the bar chart. I will go to here, this area, bar. Then I will choose the bar chart. For instance, I will choose this one. Okay, then I will, here I can rename the graph. I will write here, for instance, total cost. Then I can here customize or to regenerate the shape of my graph. Look, okay, I wanna to add a data. Look here, write 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I wanna here to place out the years. So this values represents the total cost over the years. So I wanna to add a year here. I will press right click, format or add data, select data, or I can use this one upside here, select data. So I have the 2 options. So I will choose select data. Look, here is the horizontal axis and here is the vertical one. The horizontal axis, I will edit it like that. Then he tells me, please choose the labels, which is the years. So what is the years? Okay, it's missing here. Okay. Once again, since I had here a graph which is preventing me to, okay, let's move it here. This one is down. Okay, so again, I will select the horizontal axis, select data, edit, then I will choose the years from 19 till, for instance, 2020 or 2017. Yeah, and I will press OK. Look, he placed downside the year. So how I can customize this one? Maybe I had the option to customize this one. How I can do that? I will mark it up, then text option, or I can use format axis, and I had here many option. As you want, you can use something like date axis. Yeah, if I choose the date axis, he can rotate the date to be perfectly aligned like that. So he aligned up my years downside here. He changes the view, I mean, yeah. Okay. For instance, if I add something, look at here, this one, I had plus sign here. So I can add something like axis style. Look, axis style, I will mark it up. Axis style mean I somehow the name of the axis. I want to place here the years, for instance, years, but it's somehow not clear since I can, yeah, this one is clear. Then here I can write the costs, the total cost, the costs. Look, here is finally how I can customize my graph. Once again, but with two variables. How I can do the graph for two variables? How I can do that? For instance, I wanted to graph the total costs and the revenues. How I can do that? I will market both of them, the total revenue and the total cost. Then I will press insert, and I will do, for instance, the line graph. Look, he did the both of them. Again, maybe I will write here the total cost, for instance, versus total or net revenue. Net revenue. I can customize the graph. Yeah, of course, I can customize. I can choose which one. I will choose the black one, for instance. Then I wanted to add the year. How I can do that? I will mark them, select data, horizontal axis, edit. I will add the data. Oh no, there is somehow a graph here. Let's remove this one first. Again. No way. Okay. Once again, I wanted to add the years here. I will select the year, the horizontal axis, select data, edit horizontal. I will choose the year from here till, for instance, 2020. Then I pressed equal. I wanted to align the years perfectly. I will choose somehow here text direction. Look, I will choose this one. So he aligns them efficiently. And the most important one here, when I had two variables like that, there is somehow two colors here. Which one stands for the cost and which one stands for the revenue. So I wanna to put it like that. He told me that you look, you had already choose the revenue. So the revenue is the orange one. Again, I had already grabbed the two lines, and I want to know which one identifies the total cost and the other one identify the total revenue or the revenue. So I will mark them. Look, automatically the Excel highlighted the chosen graph. So the orange stands for net revenue. So I wanna to format.
I want to remove something here, and I show you here what we are going to do here.
What?
Okay.
Okay, I will choose somehow this one, the filter sign, and I will choose edit for serious. Okay, he tell me please write the serious name. It will be net revenue. Look, he did it. For the other one, I will choose like that, and I will choose the filter sign, go to serious one, which stands for blue, and I will choose the name, total costs. Look, he made it up. Okay, that is regarding to the bar chart, the line chart. Okay, last one, I don't want to extend the section more than that, so I will learn you somehow how to draw the pie chart. Look at the pie chart. So for instance, I want to draw a pie chart for the boys and the girls. How I can do that? I will mark them. Okay, I will mark them up. Okay, but this time I wanna to mark them or highlight them by the heading only. Look, I will do like that and like that. Go to insert. Any graph you want to draw, you have to go to insert menu upside here. Press insert, then go to graph. But look here, I had the pie chart, had many one of them, but I want to choose somehow the boys and the girls only. How I can do that? Let's do it again. For instance, I had here X and Y. Okay. Mark them. Insert. No, let's do it. Yeah. Insert. Yeah, this one. For instance, I want to know the boys and the girls in the first school. Look, that is the method how to draw a pie chart for boys and the girls in the first school only. So how I can customize the same thing? Look at the plus sign here. I want to add data label. Look, yeah, he gave me 25, 2050, and 321. I wanted to change like that, boys and the girls. Look, there's no need to format up the titles. He did it efficiently since I had from the beginning shows the heading of the table. So he already did it. He writes the boys and the girls. I can also customize the shape of the graph like that. Okay. There is many things to do here. Somehow format data label. If I wanna to make it in percentage, not in number, so I will choose percentage. He give me the both. If I wanted to remove the value like that, he removed the value. Look, format again. He removed the value. I want to add the percentage, so I will press format, right click, format, or add data label. He added them. So I want to add the percentage itself. How I can do that? Right click, format data point. There is something that is not clear here. Okay, that's the data, the percentage. Format data label, yeah, format data label. I wanted to add the values, so remove the values and keep the percentage like that. Again, from data series. Yeah, maybe the first slice and second slice. Okay. So I want to customize the data. So I will add edit text, and maybe I write the 44%. Maybe I choose it like that. 44% minus to be 66 or wait a minute. الو يا دكتور ازي حضرتك عامل ايه الاخبار؟ اوكي انا قربت اخلص عامة يعني. اوكي لا ان شاء الله يعني مش هطول يعني. اوكي it would be 56. Okay guys it would be 56 like that percent. So this is method how we can customize the graph and how to draw every single graph and use many functions for Excel applications. So do you have any question? We have already finished the section that what I'm going to do. I want to give you somehow.
Hello,
Hi guys. I'm hearing you.
doctor. Doctor, I don't understand the how you choose the color of the those orange and blue.
No, he did it by himself. This is the default. This is the default colors for the by chart.
دكتور.
Look, you can change. Look like that. We can change the colors. Look here.
Okay.
Look.
Okay.
But the orange and the blue are the default or the optimum setting for the Excel. I didn't choose them. As you choose the data and select the data and insert a graph, he did it like that. The colors is up to you.
In the
Like that.
in the graph, in not in the pie chart, but in the graph.
What?
In the graph, the another graph.
Which ones?
You made that graph, not pie chart. Other the chart of the cost revenue.
Cost and revenue. Yeah. What's up with it? What's the problem in
The graph line.
Yeah. Do you mean how we can rename the line, for instance, or what? I
can't hear you.
I couldn't understand you. What is the issue? What is your problem in this graph regarding the net revenue and the total cost graph?
Doctor, I just want to ask that color.
The color?
Yeah.
The color are the same. Look, I can do it from here. I can choose which color I want. What's your name? You are from Nepal? You are the one from Nepal, right? Hey.
Yes, doctor, I'm from Nepal.
Which one who is talking? Who is one who is talking? From Nepal or the other one? Who is asking
I'm
about the
from
color?
Nepal.
Okay. Who is asking about the who was asking about the color? The color is
Me.
okay. The color is it doesn't matter for me. What's really matter for me is the criteria, the function. How can you do the function? For me, I don't care about the colors, the shape, the stuff like that. But you have to place your data correctly. You have to put the titles for vertical axis and horizontal axis. You have to mention which color is a net revenue, which color is a total cost, and stuff like that. You have to do the criteria efficiently. I don't care about the color.
Okay, doctor.
Okay.
Okay, doctor.
آية الكلام يا آية.
تمام فاهمة يا دكتور.
فاهمة؟ طب ما حلتيش لي المرة أنت فاهمة، ما حلتيش لي المرة اللي فاتت يا آية. اوكي انت عملت نفس الكلام يعني؟ طيب اوكي. What about the other? مريم. خلود. اوكي مش كلهم سابونا؟ okay, these guys that are not responding, they slept or they are doing their Nescafe and stuff like that. I will punish them. Okay. Anyway, so guys, so we had revised the Excel function, how to graph the graph, how to do many calculations by many ways. Okay. اوكي يا خلود، فاهم يا خلود؟ ماشي. اوكي يا خلود.
دكتور
مم.
حضرتك بتسجل الاونلاين دوت، ممكن تبعته لنا؟
بس عشان ابعتهم ده مش انا I had recorded this section on Zoom, so I have to compress it first, then I will upload it on YouTube. So it may take a long time. Maybe if starting from tomorrow I will send you the link. Okay.
اوكي
طب فاهمة طيب ولا ايه؟
فاهمة. انا عاوزة بس عشان يعني اراجع الخطوات كذا مرة عشان ما انساهاش.
Okay, don't worry about the section. I will send it to you directly. And if you faced any problem or any inquiry, please ask me, doctor, I don't understand this thing. Can you send us another video? I can send you a better videos for international guys who did this tutorial. Okay, guys? Okay. See you. Bye bye.
Goodbye.
What you're doing is right. Yes, okay. So.